Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through a deep analytical showdown between Real Debrid and Torbox, two powerful premium link generators competing to control your streaming and downloading setup. If you rely heavily on software like Streamio or Kodi to watch pristine 4K media, choosing between these services is no longer just about download speeds, but rather a choice between ecosystem size and absolute privacy. We start with Real Debrid, the undisputed king of the industry that has built a massive, unmatched library of cached torrents over nearly 2 decades of operation. Because millions of users feed links into its system daily, almost any popular or niche content you search for will play instantly with zero buffering. However, its massive scale has invited heavy legal scrutiny, causing recent server pressures and the removal of files under common release tags due to strict filtering rules. Real Debrid also logs your IP address and download history for 12 full months, while enforcing a strict one IP restriction that will instantly ban your account if a family member attempts to stream from a separate location or on mobile data while you are watching at home. On the other hand, Torbox is the rapidly rising alternative built on a modern, decentralized infrastructure spread across multiple countries. Its biggest triumph is complete operational flexibility, as Torbox features a strict no-logs policy, accepts anonymous cryptocurrency payments, and completely allows unlimited simultaneous IP connections, meaning your entire family can stream from different locations on a single account without fear of restriction. Torbox also packs advanced power utilities like native Usernet integration and cloud syncing to Google Drive on its higher plans. The trade-off is that because Torbox is a newer platform, its cached library for older, non-English, or highly obscure content is visibly smaller, meaning you may occasionally wait for an uncached torrent to download from scratch. Ultimately, if you want the absolute cheapest price and a flawless pre-cached library for instant playback, Real Debrid is the standard. But if you value long-term structural safety, zero logging, and multi-location freedom, Torbox is the superior modern cockpit. Subscribe the channel for more videos.